Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is indeed your Kenyan boy BHE Frankenstein back again with another upload on the channel. And today we're going to be looking at a very premium set of darts. I got them at a discount. They were 30% off on Darts Shopper EU, and I was able to pick them up. I've been eyeing these darts for the longest time, and now that they were on discount, I decided it's the best time to buy them before their prices go back up. As you know, the darts saga, the darts prices have been going up. I spoke about it in the previous video, the way the China decided to retain its tungsten, causing the price of tungsten darts to go up. So that's about it. So today the darts we're looking at are the 95%, 97.5 ultramarine by Target, and this is 22-gram variant. So you can see all the writing that is written over there. You can see it's written 97.5. That means it's 97.5 tungsten. That is the tungsten content, and you can see it's 22 grams, and you can see there's written N75. So the ultramarine by Target. This is a very premium set of darts, so we'll just take it out of its this sleeve. We'll just put the sleeve down, and then you can see this is the box. It's a very big box with very intricate packaging. It's not the small boxes that people normally get. So this is a one-of-a-kind unboxing experience. So you have your Target magnetic sticker here. So it's just magnetic. So you just pull the tab to release what's inside. So you get a blue Target Tacoma case. And when you open the other side, you get a whole lot of other accessories. So let's dive in and see exactly what we get. So first of all, you get your Target Tacoma case in blue and black. You get a small, tiny Target Tacoma case. I already have the big one, the Target Tacoma XL, and this one you can see it's written. You can see it's already written ultramarine over here where my finger is. You can see ultramarine. We just put that on the side. And then also what you get inside are two sets of Swiss points. I think these are nano grip Swiss points. There you can see the first set of Swiss points that you get, and then excuse me, you get a second set of Swiss points. So you get one set of black Swiss points and one set of silver Swiss points. So here they are side by side, the black and the silver Swiss points. You can see them side by side. And then inside the box you also get a button for your, if you're wearing a suit, you can put this. You get a cuffling for your suit. If you're wearing a suit, it's written 97.5 ultramarine, and it has the Target logo. And then inside the box, you get your premium Swiss point key that will use to interchange your points if you need to change your points. And then also inside the box, you do get a keychain that you can put on your Target Tacoma case if you want to hang it on your waist while you play. And then over here, you get your instruction manual, or this is like a pamphlet. So you do get something like a pamphlet giving you, I think, a little bit info about the darts and a little bit info about some Target products, and I think what's included inside the box. And it's also written 97.5 ultramarine, meaning the dart contains 97.5 tungsten. That is the tungsten content. So you do have your two Swiss point keys, you do have your cuffling. So we are going to take out the side. So once you take out this black part on the side, we can put this aside as well, and we can also put the Swiss points aside with the cuffling. So once you open it up fully and remove the black part, this is what you get inside the box. You do get your 3 barrels, and they come with a standard number 6 flight. That's not a standard number 2, it's a standard number 6. And let's get the darts out and I give you a close-up of the darts. And mark you, this is a very grippy set of darts. On grip level, I would give it a grip level of 9.5 out of 10 because it is a very grippy set of darts. It's not your typical darts that don't have any grip. This is very grippy, and we're just going to look at the barrels and take a close-up look. And let's just open the bottom compartment. I think that's just about it for this compartment. I don't know if it comes off. So I don't think the compartment comes off. I think that's about everything that you get inside the box. So let's look at the darts themselves and have a close-up look. And I'll show you how to change the Swiss points in just a second with the Swiss point key and how easy it is to use the interchangeable points. So these are the three barrels. This is a 54mm barrel, so it's a very long dart. So this is the dart fully built with the custom LNC points that it comes with. These are the LNC Swiss points. So you can see the dart up close, and it has the standard number 6 flight. And I don't think there's anything else written on the side. I think this is just a piece of packaging that's stuck, but you can see the dart and you can see the logo over here where my finger is touching. It's written 97.5 ultramarine with the Target logo, and the dart has 3 distinct grip zones. So you have your front grip over here. It's very grippy. I'd give that 8.5 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10. Same to the back, a grip of 9.5 out of 10. And then you have this, it's sort of like a roughly smooth section. So it's rough and smooth at the same time. Over here in the middle, the silver shiny part where the Target logo is and where it's written 97.5 ultramarine. And these points, I think they are 30 or 30, I think they're 32mm points. It hasn't been stated, but we can check this manual and see what points it comes with. So I'm just going to open it, and it will give us a bit more detail of what we have in the barrel. So it says 3 design, bear cut. The 97.5 Ultramarine's unique barrel design features a slash as its centerpiece. This is unlike any dart previously produced by Target. So you can see they've given information over there. And then the shaft, they've given you information about the shaft that comes with the dart. It's written shaft over here, complete with the Target K-Flex shaft system, the fusion of the flight and shaft into one. So this is the number 6 flight. And you get a small Tacoma wallet, exclusive 97.5 Ultramarine Tacoma Darts wallet. That's what you get with it. And then you get Swiss points. So the 97.5 Ultramarine also features Target's patented interchangeable point system that allows you to change your point length, style, and color in seconds. The revolutionary system is complemented by Target's Swiss Point Premium Key, engineered out of a cast zinc alloy. So you can see the Premium Key. This is fully metal, and they've told us that it's made out of a zinc alloy. So on the front side, you can see it's written Target, and on the back side, it's written SP for Swiss Point. You can see there, it's written SP for Swiss Point. So you have 3 sets of Swiss points to choose from. The original one that comes with the dart, plus the 2 that have been included in the box. Now let me show you how to change your points in seconds. So you have your point here. This is a silver 38mm point. I think it's 30 or 32mm points. I'll confirm the details and update inside the comment section in the video. So For example, let's say we want to put this black point that we have over here. So all you need to do is just get your Swiss point key and get your dart and put your dart into the hole at the bottom of the Swiss point key. And all you just need to do is twist. And that's it. The point is already out and you're now ready to install your new point. So you just get your new point, just pluck it out of the holder. Just put it the same exact way as you did with the other point. It goes straight into the hole at the bottom of the Swiss point key. And then you just get your barrel, put it inside, rotate, twist until you feel like there's a bit of tension that it has become tight, and you have repointed your dart in 3 seconds. And that's how easy it is to repoint your dart with a Swiss point key. Thank you, Target, for this easy feature. You don't need a traditional repointing tool for this. So that's everything that you get inside the box with the Target Ultramarine. Let's open the Tacoma case and we see what else we get inside the case. So as expected, you do get your free month of dart counter. So I'll be doing a raffle for this. I'll be doing a giveaway for this gift code for Dart Counter. So you can download Dart Counter from the Play Store, create a free account, and get 1 month access to Dart Counter Premium. So 1 month access for Dart Counter giveaway going away soon. So just drop your comments in the chat, and I will choose the best comment in the chat, and I will announce the winner. I'll make a video announcing the winner. So the person with the best comment in the chat will get a free 1 month premium to Target Dart Counter. So keep your comments coming in the chat, and the person with the best comment will win, and may the best person win. So that's everything that you get with the dart. And then you have, like I said, the Tacoma case. So this is how the case looks. It just has space for 1 set of darts, which is here where my finger actually is. So, and then here you have your set. So this is where you put in your dart here. Only 1 set of darts, and then here is where you can put in your Swiss point key and extra set of points if you want to carry an extra set of points. So it's just a small case that you carry maybe when you're going for league night, or when maybe you're going for a tournament. You just carry 1 set of darts, a set of spare points, and a set of spare shafts, and you're good to go for the day. And there's nothing much to it, but I like the blue and black colorway representing almost how the Tacoma looks. The Tacoma is gray and I think black, and I think it looks beautiful in that color wave. And that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to drop a free like on the video and a free sub to the channel, as it does help out and support the channel at 0 extra cost to yourself. And this has been your Kenyan boy BHE Frankenstein with the review of the 97.5 Ultramarine darts in 22 grams by Target. And I will catch all of you in the next one, and peace out.